Here are 3 tips you can consider the next time you schedule an informational interview over the phone. 1. Be flexible. In many cases, the person you're connecting with is doing you a favor, so make it convenient and easy for them to help you. As such, offer 3 dates that work for you on your end and communicate that you'd be happy to work around their schedule. For example, are you available for 20 minutes on Tuesday or Wednesday between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. for a call? If both dates don't work for your schedule, please let me know what day and time works best for you. This will help reduce the number of back and forth messages, especially in cases when you're still a full-time student and juggling other responsibilities, such as extracurriculars and work. 2. Identify the caller. Make it clear beforehand who will be setting up the phone call. In other words, will you call them or will they call you? As a common courtesy, the person who requested the conversation should be the one to offer to call the other individual. However, it's still best practice to check in to see what works for others. 3. Send a reminder. A few hours before the phone call, connect with the individual to see if they're still available and that you're happy to reschedule if something has come up. For example, "Hey Mahmood, I hope you're having a wonderful morning. I wanted to check in with you to see if you're still available to chat today at 4 p.m. This gives someone the opportunity to reschedule in cases of emergencies. For more information or for further tips and tricks, visit the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our consultants.